I quit my job to pursue my crochet design business full-time. Wish me luck. I'm very scared, it's a risk, but that's what I decided to do. So that's what I want to do. And so for my first project, it's from a man who wants an Afghan for his home. His house is gray and black, and he wants to add a woman's touch, basically, but still be masculine. So the first thing I thought of and I want to make for him is a chevron stripe Afghan. If you know what a chevron stripe is, it's like these really uniform, zigzag, jagged kind of stripes. And I want to put my own unique twist on it and make these not uniform and make it like an irregular stripe, maybe similar to how a mountain range would look. So I started drawing and making some notes, and I then started crocheting based on my notes to practice, and I'm really loving how it's coming along. Like, definitely didn't think it was gonna work, and it did. So this, like I said, was a practice round. I'm gonna now move into the real yarn. I'm gonna start with black, and I'm gonna use a larger crochet hook. So yeah, part one, I'm calling this one Mountain Stripe. See you later, alligator.